time when so much is going on in our country. We meet at a time when many of our brothers were artists. Katsawa ya kogera bingere atete muva omwana njaga msoke muluze kine kiruga okitegera. Ate mu binyonyole ne bamiziki banafa abalala bamanye nti tuli mu byaddala. So friends, I was telling you that we're meeting in a very critical time. As we speak, many of our people in Chitezi are still buried under the rubbish, under the garbage. As I speak to you today, I'm bringing greetings from our Deputy President of Western Uganda. Mama is not feeling well. She was very ill to the extent that she was taken to the intensive care unit. Thank God, the latest we're hearing is that she's improving. Continue praying for her. Comrades, I also bring greetings from the diaspora. They send you greetings. They are doing a lot of work. They are chasing the dictator and his enablers from the diaspora. When I went to Canada, I came back with Museveni's ambassador to Canada. She was chased away from there. When we came back from London, that was the last time Anita Mongo could go there. Not only London, America, and Dubai too. Very soon, she won't be able to go to the capital city as well. I want to salute and welcome comrades. Those from northern Uganda, I welcome you. From Arua, West Nile, do we have them there? Awadifu. Thank you very much for being here today. Those from Acholiland and Lao, thank you, welcome, Apoyo Matek. From Western Uganda, Abambara Mulio. Abatoro Mulio. Mwebari Muno. From Eastern Uganda, Abasoga Mulio. Abamasaba Mulio. Abasoroti Mulio. Yeah, we welcome all of you, friends. I welcome those. I've already welcomed those from Western Uganda. Abavude mu bitundu bya Buganda ebyenjawulo tubaniriza bannange. Abavude Bukoma Nsimbi, abavude Mpigi, abavude Mukono n'abavude mu bitundu ebirala. Now I'm going to be brief, although I want to touch a few things this afternoon. Friends, I want to also add my voice to welcome all of you and to emphasize that as NUP, we are freedom fighters. As the NUP, the National Unity Platform, we've emphasized it time and again that we are not just a political party. We have a political party. We are the People Power Movement. The National Unity Platform is our vehicle that we started towards the 2021 election as a formal elective platform to bring leadership together and prepare a team of leaders that is going to usher in a new Uganda. That was the reason for the birth of the National Unity Platform. We continue to grow and we give glory to God that even today, this is another step of growth. We salute the Almighty God. Friends, your decision to join us today is a pivotal one. It's a vote of confidence in our agenda. I've seen the Honorable Temulanda. I was with you in the 10th Parliament. I've seen Michael Janzeko Jawo Gweko Jawangi. My sister's son, Honorable Senyonga, very welcome. And many others. I was with you in the 9th Parliament. Abo bombitu wali nabo mu Parliament eye 10. They were NRM people. But we would talk. And they did not believe in the Museveni dictatorship. These are MPs that refused to touch our constitution. Abababiri bagamba togikwatako. Twatuganya ne Nsamba, twakataganya ne Honorable Kalwanga, kyatugatta ne Honorable Nambeshe, kyatugatta n'abo ababiri. Era nasigala mbapolooto nti lwaki mutwegattako omusajja ne tumutwalaganya. Nenga Honorable Muyanja kyalimu akatengo. Ne Temulanda kyalimu akatengo. I remember we came to your house in Mpigi netusimba ono omuti ogw'omuyembe. Abaana bangambe omuyembe ogwo gwatandika okubala tinaye bw'osala ne bweguba gwa green kungulu bw'osala munda abeera red. Tusanyuse nnyo okubalaba, twesunze nnyo okukwatagana nammwe, tubenyumirizaamu nnyo bannange. I personally know you and I'm so glad that you're joining us today, friends. Welcome, very, very welcome. Friends, as we are here today, I want to remind those that are joining us that you're not just joining another opposition political party. No, for us, we are on a mission to remove Museveni. And not only to remove Museveni, but to go ahead and build a nation that will make these fellow artists proud, that will make young children proud, that will make old people proud. A country which we want to grow old in. That's what brings us here, friends. Those who roll over us don't care at all what is happening in our country. Every sector is rotten. You go to the health sector, your eyes are going to be teary. You go to the education system, it is sad. That is where we are today. Olunaku lwa leero emboozi yonna eri ku kiteezi kubanga bilioni 6 tezasobola kuteekebwawo okutereza embeera y'ekiteezo relocatinga kakati emirambo dozen gikyali wansi to the extent tibaganyewo ne bannamawulire. Our education sector is so rotten that we only train people in a colonial way. As we speak right now, many law students cannot advance to LDC. Many medical interns today cannot be deployed because Museveni says there's no money. But as Honorable Senyonyi has said, billions are being spent. A total of up to 5 billion is being spent on a single sitting. We have a parliament there, but because they want to justify the spending of our money. So we are here, friends, to encourage us to push back against that. Especially to you who are joining us. I must emphasize you are not joining us the way it has been, because this is not business as usual. It is not for positions, and I'm glad the senior leaders who are joining us have mentioned it today. Abatwegaseeko nga banoonya bifo bannange muyinza okuba nga mubuze. Bino si bya kunoonya bifo. Naye ate era ku mulundi gwe gumweramba encouraginga kubanga twetaaga abakulembeze. Munajjukira nti bannaffe bangi nnyo mu muliro ogwa 2021 baatwegattako nga bo banoonya bifo. Era mwabalaba baatwegattako naye lwamala balonda. Olwamala balonda twalinga ababawadde ekyokutunda. Bagenderawo ewa dictator ne beetunda. Bangi nnyo wano we tuyimiridde basewo ne bannyabo. Omubaka atwalawo ffe twamusindika mu parliament naye ne wano tamanyiiwo kuba tatuukangawo. Mwabalaba nga baali baakalondebwa abamu ne bagambirawo nti bo baagala kgenda kulamuza na dictator. Mwabalaba abamu basooka kwefuula bampisa, basooka kwefuula bantu balamu. Naye olwasembera okumpi n'essente z'omusolo mulaba kye baakola. Olunaku lwa leero basewo ne bannyabo nga tetukkiriziganya nakwonoona ssente za muwamusolo ez'okulambula timuspendinga ebbiliyoni 5 mu north, 5 billion in the east, 5 billion in the west, 5 billion in the central. Ekyo twakiganye naye mwalabye bannaffe abamu bagenze. Friends, our mission is to liberate our country. We know that it's clear to the population. At least omulundi okusookedde ddala mukirabyeko basewo ne bannyabo. nti Abannayuganda kibeera clear ne bannabyabufuzi bamanya abantu kye bagamba. Kyannaku nnyo titukyalina mu bannabyabufuzi atunulira abantu kye bagamba naye mwana wattu n'akivaako ye n'agenda n'ekyoyo anyigiriza abantu. I want to encourage you not to be like that, ladies and gentlemen. I want to encourage you to stand by what we believe in, by what we promise the people. Those who rule over our country are scared, very, very scared. Every time we organize like this, every time we unite like this, we are taking a step to liberation. Bino tetuli mu byabufuzi bya bulijjo basebo ne bannyabo. No, tuli ku mission ya kujjako na kyemalira na kutereza gwanga lyaffe lifuuke ekyo kye twegomba ate nga tugenda kituukako amazima ga Katonda mu. But to achieve that, we have to do these things. Number one, we have to identify the problem. Second, we have to suggest solutions to the problem. And finally, we have to take action. Ebintu bisatu tulina buli omu okwewundaganya ne twewulira ku kizibu ky'eggwanga kiriwa ne tukimanya. Bwe tumanya ekizibu ky'eggwanga kyendowooza nti step twagivaako then ne tusala amagezi solution eri ki kye tulina okukola eyo nayo step twagivaako because the solution is to get involved. Being here with the artists, with the traders, with the barbers like Eddie Mutwe, with the border riders, it means that all sections of Uganda understood the problem and they understood what to do, getting involved. The artist okozesa omuziki gw'oba talanta yo, gw'omwogezi okozesa ebigambo byo, gw'omukatale otukirira abantu, tumakinge sure nti ffenna tumanye ekizibu. Okulwanyisa sirimu twasooka kumanya nti sirimu si ddogo. Twasooka kumanya nti sirimu akwata bw'ati. Bwe twamanya ne twebuuza ku basawo nti okola otya, nti okola bw'oti. Omwewala oba oyambala akapiira oba oba mwesigwa eri munno n'ebirala. Eyo step nayo twagivaako. The next step we have to do is to take action. So friends who are joining us today, that is what we believe in, that is what we believed in, and that is what we are going to believe in all the days of our life, because that is the truth. I also want to mention to you, friends, that as you join us today, you must know that for us, we don't negotiate our freedom. We believe our freedom is God-given and constitutionally guaranteed. So we don't negotiate for our freedom. We don't beg for our freedom. We just take our freedom. In this time when the economy is in shambles where more than 80% of the young people are unemployed. 80%. We have 21 people in Uganda. 21 million people in Uganda that live on less than 7,000. Abantu obukade abiri mu kamu tebayingiza nusu kasanvu olunaku. Kitegeeza tebalya kya misana na kyaggulo. Akasanvu akatasobola nakuwa nti kyanca kamando, kya misana kamando na kyaggulo tekasobola. That is where we are. So we can't do that, and we have to live by the trust that we got. I want further to talk about those that sell out, because this is a message especially for those that are joining us. Abantu bangi nnyo batwegasseeko ne oluba okubeegattako nakubekoona. Now it is those so-called opposition people that they are using. You remember we told you that there was a mission to take away the power from you, the people, to elect a president. That mission is still ongoing, and they are using opposition people. Waliwo pulani ey'okukyusa okubajjako obuyinza obulonda president, kubanga Museveni twamuleeka enkaka wadde yaba akalulu atya okuyingira. N'olw'ensonga eyo bagala kukyusa constitution, okukyusa nti parliament ebeeronda president ekyo mwakiwulirako, ekyo bakyakiriko, ate nga bakozesa abo bennyini aba opposition, abo bennyini abajja nga babada akamyufu nganzi, abo bennyini bemwasaamu Obwesige. Mukirabye olwaleero ku makya, olwaleero nga wa opposition yenyini oba yeefula wa opposition nga gyagamba kakati NUP bagijjeko obuyinza obulonda leader of opposition, kubanga Museveni ayagala wambe ne parliament abere nga yalonda ne leader of opposition. Ekyo tekibangako bwekyo mu Uganda, because Uganda has never had an opposition like this one. Tekiberangako togera Museveni abadde agulirira abantu ng'agulira ba leader of opposition paka wajja ate balinga bamenka. So kati alemedde okututiisatiisa kuba n'okufa tetukutya, alemedde okutugulirira kuba obuswazi twajja tubulabyeko. Kakati ayagala mu buswavu kukozesa abo bayita opposition bagambe be balonda. Mwakirabako nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu commission, bwe bamala okubba ne tubagobayo. Museveni n'agamba Nitamonga abo batukolera obulungi. Museveni okuba nti ayagala okulonda leader of opposition, ayagala abo abamukolera. Mwali mulabyeko munnaffe bwe yawa n'ekirabo kya $5,000,000 tyamuwakanyiza bulungi.
Sharing a video.
Okuba akafaananyi osindisa leader of opposition awakanya omuntu olina agamba affe tetwagala Ssenyonyi abatuwakanya, twagala ono yabatuwakanya, yatuwakanya obulungi. Mwalabye nti twalonda abantu ne tubasindika mu committees naye ne bagamba ate musobola bajjako bano betwagala. That is where we are. So as we are here, friends, we want to remind you that for us, we are in war. This is war. Runo lutalo. Bino bya ddala. Eno mulinye y'amagye. Mulinye y'amagye. Twano tuwanya abantu ebitiibwa n'ebitiibwa tubibawa okusinziira ku bikolwa byabwe. Tujja kuwa ekitiibwa muganda wange, tujja kubimbisa, tujja kusuuta, tujja kulabisa. Ate bya ddala. Twegenda obuzeeko gundi. So, I always remind us, because it's necessary. It is necessary, and we must all keep each other to account. We have proposed good things for this our country. We are here today. Corruption is eating up our country, but the regime is defending the corrupt. Today you are not allowed to talk about the corrupt people. Unfortunately, they are using our brothers and sisters in uniform. Olina pasende z'omusolo ate ne bakozesa baganda bafe aba poliisi okumukuuma. Nzijukira mu 2021 twaleeta proposal eyongeza abasirikale n'abapoliisi emisaala. Museveni yatya nnyo. Era olwava mu kulonda najja n'abagamba ngenda zibongeza. Naye olw'enguzi tebasobola kituukiriza. So to you brothers and sisters in uniform, the offer is still standing. The lowest paid police officer under my leadership will be earning a minimum of 1 million shillings. Nga zeeyongera bweyongezi tezikendera. So kati mwaba polisi n'abali majje n'abali mu prison musaleewo munnange. Finally, friends, thank you.
Uganda Media.
Thank you. Finally, friends, while everything is the way it is under attack, while your freedoms are under attack, don't give up. Museveni is panicking. We have Museveni surrounded from all corners, from Europe up to Kenya. You saw him yesterday fighting with my friend Babu Owino. Museveni, you are going to face it. When you go to Tanzania, you will face the same problem. You go to America, same problem. Europe, same problem. Why? Because you are wasted. You are used and useless. Free the people. Let them be.
Leave people to be.
How does it feel to you when you came talking about fundamental change and now you're saying no change? You said Africa's problems are Africa's problem are the leaders that overstay in power. You are almost 40 years in power, but you don't want to be reminded of what you say. So our way to Jako. Challenges are going to be many. Temptations are going to be many. But let us insist. Let us keep going. Let us keep bringing other people on board. Let us keep uniting. Finally, my brother, Dr. Batua. In fact, come, let me say this when I'm standing next to you. And I even have a little gift for you. This brother here is from FDC. Because people from FDC, those that are real, are fighting against the regime. They are real freedom fighters in every party, and I must insist. And there are moles in every party, including NUP. Kanchidemu kino. Waliwo abantu abagala ensi yaabwe mu buli party. Mu FDC, mu DP, mu JEMA, mu NRM. Abali b'enkwe mu buli party ne mu NUP mwebali temubamanyi.
Kubalaba n'obalaba.
Wama b'entebe nimbye. Zake. So I want to salute you, my brother. You called for unity. Unity is the only way we are going to defeat this dictator. It's not going to take only one party or one leader. It is going to take all of us. But we are going to unite with a purpose, with a mission. So thank you very much for being with us today. Send our regards and sisters in FDC, especially those that didn't sell out. Tell them we are together. Tell them we invite them to join hands with us and fight the dictator. We are aware that they are trying to register their party, and we wish them well. We hope they will allow them, because they did not allow us. And I know the dictator does not allow any real freedom fighter way forward. That's how we got NUP. Our doors are open. Let's work together. Send our love to them. We are not in competition. We should be in collaboration. Thank you very much, and allow me to give you this gift. Not as a member of NUP, but as a member of People Power, because all of us are.
Bamubatiza ne mubaka wa FDC
Mukamaliro
ebyo bibeera waawo ebyaffe bibeera waawo.
Finally, Ngamaliza, Secretary General, let me invite you please once again. I want to send greetings and salutations to my brother Babu Owino. Comrade Babu Owino, I want you to know that Malcolm X taught us, if the enemy does not fight you, then you're not making any progress. But if they fight you, then you are under their skin. Continue irritating the dictator. Together we shall liberate East Africa and Africa. Thank you very much. Secretary General, Bangamenti, Tuinayo, Akanyomera Kasembayo, Badem Sabotukai in the trade.
Yeah, as they come, there's a gentleman here who has another graduation gift for you, Mr. President. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, sure. People power, our power. Katingaba mani tusimbude tukozechi, tusimbude. Ha, very very beautiful picture. Pencil King. Yeah. Banange Fanani, such beautiful pieces of art. Yeah. Council. Kasubire wa ghetto youth mwanamuli inspired. Kasubire mwanamuli inspired to know that your dreams are valid. Okumanya nti anytime.
Ongamba president abali awo sirikana yemu mwagunsi wa.
Council nga president no yambala degree no kola byonna bene byakabi. People power. Yeah, under the guidance of the president, with mobilization teams, Isma yingizawo ebyakabi byaffe betugenda handing over to our mobilization teams. Chairman Nyanzi Jangu bere wano mobilization. Saba ne deputy heads of mobilization bache wano bere wano mabana kadolo no tusimbu the band.
Two. Mbuda. Chishino. Motoka mpya. Motoka zizo mpya. Yopia la namba iliko motoka zizo mpya.
Every single day.
And you be in our mind. Wachomanya buli kaseera NUP bana bepya eyingiza bepya oli kusama Uganda media bwetyo embeera bweri ku kitebe tusimbudde
yeah kakati this is just a beginning under the guidance of our president Ngabwe Magambe tusazeewo nti buli region ya Uganda at least efune motoka egenda kubeera ng'ekola emirimu gya people power buli kiseera emotoka emu egenda kukola emirimu gya Buganda endala ekole gya Eastern region, Western region, Northern region full time era nga bwe ngambe this is just a beginning. We shall try our best to make sure that even all other sub-regions get capacity to do this work. So Mr. President, may you hand over the keys to these deputy secretaries for mobilization. Nindako DJ walona eyokuna eyingira eyo egenda kubeera wano ku headquarter eyokutaano ng'ekola emirimu gya department wano ku kitebe wennyini. So Mr. President, if you could hand over those keys to yeah. Oh.
Batugambye tuteeko wansi naye abeeyo banaaba batulaba Okay, let me have Comrade Africa here. Yeah, Comrade Africa, I hand this key to you to go and mobilize the whole of northern Uganda, open their eyes, and let's go, so that by the next time we have an opportunity, the setting is down. How are you for? How are you for? Open and
Okay, President amaze okwasa asiga emotoka ye eya Northern Uganda omulungi ali mu kutulaba.
Okay, Comrade Julian Kabagambe nakreki kisumuluzo n'ekimotoka ogenda omwezi yona okunga abantu boona barambanze boona obate omu kigongo ekiitu kya National Unity Platform. After everything nyenda tuwinge Museveni mu Uganda yitu webale munonga kubanga bano
Botere Marioko Sama. How do you feel?
Museveni must go.
Mazema.
No, DJ, hello. Bona Gawaya Kula Kaluya coordinator wa Eastern Region Gwaire emotoka eno oje okunge Eastern yona mukunge abantu bona abasoga abakedi abagisu mpaka bona tulifoni bana. Okay. So, Comrade Nabatanzi, yagala kupa 6 mungu kino, muhendule, mugende mukunge, Uganda bonna, okuva ku lubalama lw'ennyanja paka ku lubalama lw'ennyanja Masasa gonna, abantu mubagyeeko propaganda, mubagyeeko obulimba bonna bwe bateekamu, mubafule ekintu kimu, mubafule muntu omu, mubagaze ebbanga lyabwe okusingira ddala, mubagaze enkyukakyuka, mubafule nakimbali Mukama bakulaba.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The President can take his seat. The President can take his seat. Thank you.